Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to insert multiply rows and columns in Excel. Why would you want to know how to insert multiply rows and columns in Excel? Well, maybe you are new to Microsoft Excel. So today I am going to show you how to insert multiply rows and columns in Excel. Okay, here is our table. Let's right click and insert. This is the old way. Now go back and let's mark the amount we want, then right click and insert. Now we do it. The same as in rows. Let's insert rows. That easy guys. There you go. If you want to know how to insert multiply rows and columns in Excel, that's the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to do it, leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.